Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 07 July 2018, 00 of hour, 23 of minute and 19 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what does it mean to clamp a voltage? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what does it mean to clamp a voltage. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about what does it mean to clamp a voltage. Clamping voltage refers to the maximum amount of voltage that can pass a surge protector or electrical breaker before it restricts further voltage from passing to a device or computer. It is a process through which a device or equipment is protected from electrical surges. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.